Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and today we are making sweet chili garlic prawns. Excited po akong i-share sa inyo itong recipe na to dahil ito po yung pinaka-requested and I'm finally gonna share my secrets. Para po sa mga ingredients na kailangan natin para sa ating sweet chili garlic prawns, kailangan po natin ng 500 grams or kalahating kilo ng swahe. We will be using cooking oil and I'm using canola for this recipe. Star garlic, and ito po ang aking secret sa napakalasang sweet chili garlic prawns. Gagamit po tayo ng 2 buong bawang, chili flakes, at ang pinakamasarap na sweet chili sauce para sa akin ang Jofran sweet chili sauce. So let's start cooking. Okay, let's prepare our garlic by chopping it as fine as possible. Kung meron po kayong chopper na kagaya nito, mas maigi para po hindi na kayo mahirapan. So the reason why nagagamit tayo ng maraming garlic dahil napakataas po ng cholesterol ng sweet chili garlic prawns. So babawasan natin yan by putting in a lot of garlic. So first up, we will add oil into our pan and saka po natin ito lalagyan ng star margarine. Now, nilalagyan ko po siya ng mantika para po pag tinunaw nyo yung star margarine natin na garlic, hindi po siya masusunog kaagad. Next up, we are going to add our prawns or swahe. Now, I prefer swahe for this recipe dahil po napakanipis ng balat niya and manunuot po talaga yung lasa ng ating sweet chili garlic. So, I'm adding the garlic at this point and igigisa lang po natin siya until it changes the color of our prawns. Now, kalahating bote po ng Jofran ang nilalagay natin. Kumbaga, ang ratio ko dito is kung 1 kilo ito, 1 buong bote. Kung kalahating kilo, kalahating bote lang po. Lalagyan din po natin ito ng water para po magkaroon ng sauce ang ating dish. Now, we will continue to cook this until all the flavors have fully blended, lalo na po yung nanuot na yung lasa ng ating sauce sa ating prawns. Now, kapag luto na po ito, patayin na natin and just before serving, budburan po natin ng chili flakes kung gusto nyo pong maanghang-anghang. So, there you go. Tapos na po ang ating sweet chili garlic prawns. And sana po magustuhan nyo itong recipe na to dahil talaga naman pong pinagyayabang ko ito sa sobrang sarap. Now, if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Share this wonderful recipe to your family and friends. And if you're new to my channel or if you're not subscribed yet, you can do so at my channel Yan E. Tap the bell for notifications on new videos and recipes. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Thanks again. Till next time. Bye!